All right, so what's the difference between level 4 sheetrock finish and level 5 sheetrock finish? And we're gonna look at that right now. So this is a level 4 sheetrock finish where we have sheetrock and then we have nail holes, and then you can see skim coats. This is where the sheetrock meets, and these are the nails that we use to apply the sheetrock. And a level 4 has 2 coats of mud bed. So you can clearly see the sheetrock is still visible here, and 2 coats of mud. So, and then it's all sanded down and smoothed out. But if you look in this hallway here, this entire hallway is essentially floated with mud. And that's really because there's a lot of light coming into this hallway, and we have a really long span, and we want this to look as perfect as possible, and we use a level 5 finish in order to achieve that. So it's really just coating the walls with mud, sanding, checking for any imperfections, and then we're off to priming the walls. So that's the difference between level 4 and level 5 drywall finish. And I'll show you one other thing in here, which is, it's a purple looking sheetrock. So this is a bathroom. And in every wet area, we use what's a mildew resistant, mold resistant drywall. So you can see in here, since this is a bathroom, that's how you can tell this is the proper sheetrock that we need to use in all the bathrooms. If we come further back, this is a shower, and look, it's written right here, moisture and mold resistant. So for a shower, we use a moisture and mold resistant. In some cases, it could be hardy board. In this case, it's called permabase. So again, this is a shower situation. This is a wet area situation. So, you know, you really aren't taking showers in here, but you can splash water. Here are the vanities. We want to be ready for any water in this area. And then out here, we have level 5 and level 4 finish, drywall.